You've been waiting for it, and now it's that time of day for the Law on You. And joining us today, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath with us. I almost called you Ed Ciarimboli by habit.
That would be a first.
Eddie's actually, he's hardworking on the ski slopes.
On the ski slopes.
No, he's entitled to
everyone
some
needs
time.
a break.
He needs a break. He's a hard worker, so
Absolutely.
I know the viewers miss him, but he'll be back. Don't worry.
Soon. Right. Well, let's get to today's question. We'll see how Harry does here and for Eddie. Rick from Montrose, he says, I was badly injured at work, but my employer doesn't have workers' compensation insurance. What can I do?
Well, Rick, the good news is if it's true that there's no workers' comp insurance, then we're going to have a claim directly against that employer. So, it's important in these situations that you get with a lawyer as soon as possible because it sounds as if either they're trying to conceal the fact that they have coverage or they just didn't do what they have to under the law and get the workers' compensation coverage in place. So in either scenario, we're going to be able to find out whether or not the coverage exists, and if it doesn't, then we can sue the employer directly for an unsafe workplace and a number of other different causes of action. So certainly, give us a buzz and we can put you in the right direction on this, tough situation that you're in.
And there's also an uninsured guaranteed fund that's out there that we could put a claim into. Those cases are heavily litigated. They take some time to get through, but there is a guaranteed fund. And I think, too, is for these employers out there who don't think they need to carry workers' compensation. Believe it or not, it's a criminal offense, and that can be prosecuted, and there could be jail time for not carrying workers' compensation insurance. So, and that can be reported. And so it's you have a lot of different things to do, but you're going to need some help on this case. It's a little more complicated than just a straightforward workers' compensation claim.
Yeah, they will fight you tooth and nail in these situations.
Well, luckily, you have these two experts you can give
Yes.
a call, and they'll help you out with everything you need, all the legal advice you could ever imagine. You can give them a call, find them online and on social media. And we want to hear from you. Send your questions for the Law on You to pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.